Hey everyone, welcome back to Workshop and Home. Today I'm going to replace the blades on this lawnmower. Tractor. Yeah, lawn tractor, that sounds good. In the 3 years I've owned this lawnmower, I've run over pine cones, rocks, gravel, the occasional branch or two, and I've sharpened the blade one time. So what I'm trying to say is I've taken really good care of the blades on this. So I figure why not? I've got a couple of new blades, let's just put them on. The first thing I gotta do is get this mowing deck off. And I've got this marginally cleaner blanket than the floor, so we should be good. Oh, I'm gonna need some tools. Oh yeah. All right, there we go. Oh, probably had to drop this down first. Dropped. Okay. What do we do now? I don't even know. I think these come off. So these are little clips that hold on the deck. Whoever invented these, I don't like you. Here's one of these clips in this really conveniently placed location here. There it goes. I'm sure that's lost now. All right, we'll get this flipped over and see what we're working with here. Oh yeah, those are real nice. I'm surprised those cut grass at all. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, now then I got this off. We can go ahead and pull these blades off of here. I think I'll throw some gloves on for this one. And I'm just gonna wedge this 2x4 in here. Should be good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Do you even need the 2x4? Oh yeah. Looks like it. Let's see here. All right. Position this thing. There. Here. 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 Nope. How about here? Oh, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, those are pretty beat up. They're running all over those branches and rocks. Probably not real good for them. Yeah. Let's take a look. You can kind of see here where it doesn't look too good. It could probably be sharpened. But like I said, I've sharpened them once and they've been on here 3 years, so time for some new ones. I've got updates. I bought these new blades off of Amazon, and believe it or not, they're actually the exact same size. It's a miracle. Well, let's see if we can get these on the wrong way and have to do it over again. Clean that up real good. There we go. On there. Oh. These have pretty good reviews on Amazon, so I'll throw a link in the description down below there. They got different sizes, and they even tell you which direction they go. This one says grass side, lawn razor. Give it a shave. All right. Throw that on there. Yeah, give it some. Give it the business here. Oh yeah. Probably pretty good. All right, now I just got to put it back on. Yeah, just sitting here looking at these blades that spin around at really high velocity. And maybe I ought to throw a torque wrench on these things. Sure enough, the book says 70 to 90 foot-pounds, so 80 should do it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was already there. And since we're here, let's just line them up. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, this thing's heavy. Yeah, might as well check all the other stuff while I'm here. Yep, check. Yep, that looks good. Perfect. I think we got it all on there, right? Guess we better test it out, see if, make sure the blades don't fly off of it. Well, seems like everything went back together well, and got the new blades on. Tested it out, and seems to be working okay, so time to go test it on the lawn. That's it for workshop and home. We'll see you next time. No, it won't start.